What's good, fam? Alright. Hello, everybody. Welcome to the wonderful game of Job Simulator. I don't remember that. We have our lovely guest. Ow. Jobbot. As crazy as the creature is. Okay. Thank you for joining me today for this episode. This is part 2. I can't do a peace sign this or anything, so I wish I could. Well, this is part 2 of Let's Play Job Sim. Today, last episode we did the wonderful game of auto mechanic. Today, gourmet chef.
The kitchen. Do I see an aspiring chef?
Shut up. Let's get into this.
Hello, human. This is an accurate simulation of gourmet chef.
Shut up.
We'll start by making some breakfast, turn on the grill, and let's get frying. Even though humans spend the entire night in a state of low power consumption, they still require food energy as soon as they wake up. Bacon and eggs provide a high energy taste ratio. Now put your creations on the plate and you can ring the bell to send it out to the restaurant.
Before I do that, yes, that's weird. But you didn't realize. Why? There's just broccoli everywhere in the fridge. And up here. Is that a freaking Hot Pocket? That's a Hot Pocket. I missed. Whatever. I don't like this. This is weird. I'm gonna try to fix this. Let's my head out. Okay, I know y'all seeing me do stuff y'all would never have seen before. Currently I am going to be fixing my boundary. Okay. That's what's showing my boundary right there. Oh my god. But whatever. Thank you. Let me put it right there. That's more.
The smoothie is one of the most efficient forms of human food. Simply take some of your inefficient solid food and put it through the blender.
No, what? Is that a pepper? It's a freaking pepper.
Looks good. Pour it out into a cup and then we can serve it.
I don't understand this stuff. What's it taste like? Aw. Ow. There's a thing there.
Hello, human. Might I trouble you for some tea and crumpets?
Tea is a traditional human beverage consisting of heated water and flavor. Let's begin with heating some water using a kettle.
Nah. This works better. Fine.
Like most beverages, tea is best optimized for consumption by being placed in a cup. Similar to tea, crumpets also require heat. To cook flat items, humans use devices called toaster. Let's try making some soup. As you can see, there are several different kinds we could make, but they all start with putting some water in the pot. Great! Now fill it up with whatever kind of ingredients you want.
Alright, okay. Alright. Let me cook. Bacon. And mushroom.
Just like Mombot used to make.
Who is Mombot? The fish. I want the fish. Ah. Let me beat the fish. Yes. Fed the fish.
Next, create a vertical arrangement of organic elements. Humans refer to this as a sandwich.
Yeah, I know what a sandwich is, Jawbot. Made them every day of my life.
I'm trying to cut down on gluten, but that looks pretty sandwich.
Pretty sandwich. Jawbot, are you okay?
Yes, bonjour. Today I brought you a very rare steak. It is a 1984 vintage, eh? I wish to have it prepared.
You're gonna get sick, bud. That's moldy. Chat, you see this? What's a mold?
Please, human, do continue. I do wish for it to be well done.
You want it black.
Ah, yes, quite well done. Now, if you would be so kind as to pair it with your finest vintage grape juice. Très bien, très bien. Please have it delivered out to the restaurant at once.
Wait a second. Before you plate that, did you realize that was famed meat aficionado Meatbot? We'd better make sure our service is exceptional. Better slip this on the plate, too.
Under the steak. Where it belongs. Under trash. I don't know. I'm being rude.
Hello, it's my little Timmy Bot's birthday. Can we get some pizza for the kids?
Pizza is generally defined as a combination of bread, tomato, and cheese. Chefs would put their own twist on the dish, adding additional food items known as toppings.
Ah!
Let's begin by blending up some homemade tomato sauce.
Of course, tomatoes. I'm recording.
Delicious! Now apply sauce to bread. We are almost there. Combining the bread with some cheese in the microwave should fulfill all material requirements.
Cheese.
That looks like enough to supply the festivities. Send them off to the dining room.
forgot to mention, little Timmy is deadly allergic to tomatoes. Could you make a special slice? What do you want instead of sauce on your pizza, Timmy?
I want sauce. That sauce. Make me applesauce.
All right. The human will make you some applesauce. Go sit down now. Oh, one more thing. Timmy is also allergic to warmth. Could you just serve the ingredients raw? Thank you.
How are you allergic to warmth? That's a light
Eat
response.
up, Timmy. The human made it special for you.
Just how I like it.
So if you come ask for a cake, I swear.
Psst, hey, human. Can you help me out here? I'm trying to propose to my romantic partner. I want it to be a surprise. Can you hide this ring inside a sandwich or something?
Sure can do. You want steak on top of that.
Oh, that's great. One more thing, though. I wanted to have some romantic music playing while I do it, but I forgot to burn this disc. Could you burn it for me?
To show affection for one another, humans of the past would burn music onto primitive storage devices called discs. The details of the...
Oh, that'll be perfect. Thank you so much. Make sure you load the disc into the boombox and hit play before you send out that sandwich. I'll take care of things from there.
What's this, my dear? My sandwich feels much heavier than usual.
Huh. That's interesting. I wonder if there's something different inside?
What do you mean? What's this?
My sweet,
Emotion.
will you
Enter a legally binding partnership.
with me?
Oh, of course. I'm the happiest spot in the world.
Oh, wow. The answer was affirmative. The answer was affirmative.
Well, the kids are all finished with their pizza and now they're ready for cake. We do get a free birthday cake, right?
Can't argue with that. Human-run restaurants were morally obligated to provide free cake on children's birthdays. Good thing we have a microwave that can quickly mutate ingredients into food.
Corn. Have a corn cake.
Let's get going.
Hey boss, that party left a huge pile of dirty dishes. We're gonna
trying to
need
party
your help
here.
to get through these. They're pretty nasty, so make sure you use a good squirt of soap.
I'm trying to party here. What's wrong with you?
Well, that's okay. We'll just take it out of your paycheck.
How dare you? I don't like this.
Great, thanks for your help.
You there! I need your help. The health inspector's on his way over and I don't know if we're going to pass inspection. You need to clean this place up. Make it safe and sanitary. You can start by destroying all this old food.
Okay, that's one thing taken care of. How about those sprinklers? See that little thing up on the ceiling? Try chucking something at it. See what happens. I guess it's not working. Well, what are the chances of there being a fire in here anyway? All we need to do is any potential insect problems. Look around and see if you can find anything. Yikes, that's not good. You need to do something about these guys. Get rid of them quick.
Best way to get rid of them is eating them. Don't mind me, chat. I love eating them.
Well, I guess that'll have to do. Here comes the health inspector. Okay, everybody stop what you're doing. It's inspection time. Yes, interesting.
It's questionable.
I'll just tally these results. And this looks like this. That was a close one. Now we can get back to business.
Turn that down a little bit.
Hey, Chef! There's a bot here to film an episode of some TV show with you?
I don't remember
They
that.
say it was already booked ahead of time, so
I don't remember this.
Well-
Who is it?
just do whatever they say.
Okay, who is it? Who the heck are you?
Human?
Oh, no.
I'm TV Bot. We're doing a show on how these organic nutrient packs are made. So I just need to record some footage of you going through the various steps, okay?
All right,
First
I
step
guess.
is to blend up this protein pill. Let's get a shot of you doing that.
See this lovely little pill? Goes in here. You blend. That's it.
Hey, okay.
That's it.
Great, that was good. Now let's
Watch
get a
this.
shot of you putting this flavor packet in the microwave. All right, it's in there. Close the door and let me get a shot of the microwave running.
What's the point of this?
All right, everybody's following along at home. We got our fully expanded flavor cube. Can you just show that to the camera?
The frick is this thing?
Now just pour that blended protein fluid onto the cube, and we are done.
The frick is this thing? I don't remember this thing existing.
Hey, great job, human. Really appreciate it. Oh, one more thing. Can I get a shot of you eating it? Just act like it's real delicious, all right? Hey, thank you so much,
yummy.
human. This is some great footage. This episode's gonna be fantastic.
Yeah, no. Oh.
Hey, human,
Slim
check
Jim?
this out. I found this rare turbo Ghost Death Nova pepper. Can you prepare it for me? I like it H-O-T. Come on, put some heat into it. Come on, that's not hot enough. Can't you do something else?
Making a ghost pepper for you.
Yeah, I guess that'll have to do. Give it here.
If you catch my place on fire, you're not coming back in here.
Hey, Chef, we got 3 bots out here who ordered the special. Not sure what that means, but that's what they want.
Ordering the special means placing your trust in the chef. Just give those bots anything. Be creative.
Right, one's getting avocado.
That looks interesting. Send it off to the customer.
They're getting a freaking avocado. That's all they're getting.
What a fascinating dish!
A carrot for one.
Another beautiful looking meal, chef.
This meal looks truly special.
Alright, this is getting the smoothie.
And that'll do for the last one.
Where's my cup? Where's the freaking mug at?
Is this some kind of avant-garde meal?
They wanted something special, and they certainly got it.
Holy smokes! This is way too hot!
Oh, sounds like the guy with the hot pepper from earlier.
Hey, Chef! Help a bot out here!
Woo! Thanks, human. You really saved my circuits.
I want to fight. You're no longer allowed to be in here.
I just got word from the TV studio, human. They liked your performance on that commercial you did, so they're sending in a camera crew. They're gonna put you in a reality show.
In the distant past, having your own reality show was seen as the peak of human achievement. Good work, human.
Please don't.
Okay, boss, let's get those cameras set up already.
Who is it this time?
Ready to go, boss.
You ready, human?
No.
Okay, bring in the talent.
What? Who are you?
Nice to meet you, human. I'm Chef Bot Ramshead. Let's get this ball rolling.
God.
Okay,
Is this
we'll
Gordon
start
Ramsay
with the
bot?
meatball scene. And action.
What are you waiting for, human? Get cooking! These meatballs aren't going to prepare themselves.
Why are you yelling at me? You just met me.
Ugh, those look so bad. My neural network associates them with literal garbage. So
Yeah,
able to
you are
serve them
Gordon
or just let
Ramsay.
them sit
Shut
there
up.
and get even more disgusting. Truly despicable. My kids could cook a meal 100 times better than that,
Shut
and
up.
they're graphing calculators.
Cut. That was good.
You're rude.
Well, great so far, human. I know I could be a little loud on camera, but it's all just part of the show, you know?
You're rude.
Alright, scene 2. That's the free-form cooking part. And action.
You worthless, chemical-based meat bag. Get to cooking. Make something good. Show us what you can do. Anything. So overdone it could be a meme. You about finished yet? Hurry up, serve it.
I can't. Bloody idiot. Get out of my store.
That's what you call a meal.
Yes, it's bacon and
That's a
steak.
wrap, folks.
Great performance, human. I've got a lot of respect for you after this. Hope to work together again sometime. Farewell.
Well, you know how to get back to the museum if you want to. I'll just be hanging out here while you do whatever you want.
Okay, everyone, thank you for joining for this. I guess it was a short episode. I can't really tell you. But I do appreciate you joining me for today. We'll be making another one. I think we'll be doing the. Okay, we did this. And we just got them doing Gourmet Chef. We will be doing next episode. Store clerk. Fun. Well, if you enjoyed, please consider pushing the like button, subscribing, so you know when I post a new video. It's lovely for y'all to be here. Thank you for joining me. And I must say, peace out.